This year, robots captivated the world with a stunning performance at China's Spring Festival Gala. However, in the demanding world of manufacturing, mere mobility is no longer enough. They need vision, to perceive, to understand, and to decide. By integrating robots with AI vision, manual labor can be replaced across a wide range of industrial applications, from sorting and welding to detection. The AI vision system can intelligently recognize, categorize, and sort complex parts, maintaining peak efficiency even when operating in complex and disordered industrial environments. Empowered by AI vision, robots now achieve high efficiency, high-precision welding. Every single weld seam is identified and analyzed with unparalleled precision. It doesn't stop at the weld. AI vision acts as a guardian for quality and standard, instantly identifying surface defects and any minute dimensional deviations throughout production. Ultimately, less labor intensity, higher efficiency, and stable quality. Upgrade your manufacturing facility with our advanced AI vision solutions. Motion is robots' instinct, but vision makes them intelligent.